Good afternoon, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world today. So, guys, in this video, I want to go over with you a new opportunity I became a part of called Cliqly. Now, if you're a new marketer or someone who's looking for a side income, then you really can't go wrong with this opportunity. And it's pretty much one of those opportunities that is perfect for a new marketer. Okay. Now with Cliqly, when you join, you can join as a free member, right? And when you join as a free member, you're going to be given 5,000 leads as a member. Okay. Now when you get those 5,000 leads, they're going to appear here in this little green section. All right. They're your openers. Okay. You're going to also receive credits. You're going to receive pro credits as well. Now I'll go over how these credits, can be used in a second. But one thing I wanted to show you, I want to go over with you the opportunity again as well. You'll see this little welcome message when you become a trial member. So it'll break it down for you, everything that you're going to see when you become a member. So you see there's 3 levels. You have your trial member, your platinum member, and your pro member. Now I've upgraded to the platinum membership because of the simple fact that I did see the value in this opportunity, but I also needed to get more credits with the opportunity as well in order to maximize my daily emailing efforts. So for me, it was a no-brainer. All right. Like I said, you do get credits and you get subscribers as well added to your back office. And that's one of the great things about the opportunity. They set you up to succeed right out the gate. All right. Um, as a platinum member, of course, you do get more credits, and you have more freedom on how many emails you can send out per day, because with a trial membership, there is a certain amount of emails that can be sent out on a day, which is not a large amount. It is enough to earn with, of course, but not more, than you would have if you were to become a platinum member. All right. So going down, you'll see this welcome message in your back office as well. You'll see your sponsors' information, their email as well, and they'll have a little welcome video here for you, which you can go over. And then down here, you'll see all your login details. Now, because I don't want anybody seeing all of my information, I'm not going to go further than that. So I'll just leave that there. But when you become a platinum member, you'll also be upgraded automatically to a pro membership within 10 days. All right. So as I said, as a trial member, you'll see the 1,000 openers or subscribers, however you want to call them. You'll see that there. You're able to add credits to your back office as well. You're able to add pro credits as well. Now, let me get right into the heart of the matter, because there is a lot to this opportunity. You'll see, you'll when you become a trial member, there are some features you won't have access to because you're on a trial level. You won't be able to see the live trainings. You won't be able to see the tier jumper portion. You'll be able to see your opt-ins. You'll be able to track your commissions, but you won't see the in-depth training as well. Okay. Now, how you earn with this opportunity is pretty simple. There are 2 steps, as you can see here. So with step 1, you'll be able to send a certain amount of emails. Now, again, this amount is going to differ from trial to platinum member. I'm a platinum member, so my limits have increased, for both. So we're going to click on step 1 really quick. So going down, you see they'll have different coupon codes as well. So when you become that platinum member and you do want to get more credits, they'll give you certain codes as well. So I know this one here expires on the 15th. You have another one here. You have another one here. All right, you have different codes that you can use. And when you see the power of this opportunity, you're going to probably want to use those codes as well. So they give you a step-by-step setup on how to send an email with Cliqly. It's not a strenuous process. It's very simple, very plug and play. They give you the emails that you can use. They give you the leads that you can send them to. All right. So for a platinum member, you're able to send, as it says, 75,000, well, a million, up to a million. If you have the credits, you can send them to a million emails a day. That's going to take a lot of credits to do, to be honest. So I wouldn't worry about that. Just get in where you can and go from there. So it'll tell you you can add the credits. Your openers automatically transfer to this section every day. You could choose to send an email to your openers list. You can enter the amount of people that you want to send it to. I'm just gonna go skip down to it. Like you guys can see all of this. If you want to rewind the video back, you can see everything step by step here. But the main thing I want to get to, all of that as well. That's all important. You can see that. You can see that as well. You can send between 70,000 and a million emails a day from the system. Again, that's if you upgrade and become a trial member, become a platinum member, excuse me, and you have the credits in place to do this. Okay, so it gives you a breakdown of everything that you need right there. Tier 1, Tier 2, all the tiers broken down for you. Okay, another code here, another code here. Now, as you can see, this is what I wanted to get to. This is the area where you can see the emails that you sent out for the day, right? 17. These are all from today. The first 9, 10. I sent out emails this morning to my list. Is over 7,400 openers on that list. So you see various amounts, different levels, different opens, and you earn 10 cents per click. Now it doesn't sound like a lot. It really doesn't. But when you're doing it consistently, you're doing it every single day, over time, that money will add up. Okay. And I'll show you, what that means in a second. So you see, I'm a tier 1. I have $100,000 daily sending limit. I have that many credits, right? So the way to send an email is pretty simple. Like I said, you'll go to step 1. It's only one category, so you can leave that there, and then you see your openers list, and that'll be the 7,700 that I have on mine. You're going to click on the next step. You're going to select the email. Now, like I said, they provide you with the emails that you can use, and it's a bunch of them, a good amount of them. Like I'm not going to go all the way down to the bottom of the page because it is a lot. All right, let's just click on this one, for example. Now, what you're going to want to do, everything is already automatically coded to you. Your links will be all here and everything like that. It'll send clicks to your conversion house media account. Now, you can do that, or you can enter a link to send the clicks to. All right, so you have that option as well. So this is not just for Cliqly. You could also send the link to whatever opportunity you promote. If you want to do it like that, you can enter that link there. What's going to happen? You'll have your URL here. But let's go back to this. All you're going to have to do is enter the from name, and that's required. You just enter any name. You can enter your first name. If you enter a different name, it's up to you. And then what you're going to do, you're going to click on send this email to my list. Whether you want to do it now, you want to do it later, it's up to you. The sooner the better. So you click on that. Then it's going to ask you to confirm that what your email sent. You'll click on that, and then that's it. And then you just wait for the system to send out the emails on your behalf. Now, how do you earn with this opportunity, guys? Again, throughout sending the emails and also having people join your team, having them upgrade as well to the platinum membership. Now, to become a platinum member, it is a one-time payment of $97. You'll get a bunch of credits. For both steps, you get the credits that you need, and you'll also earn $97 for every person that you bring in as well that chooses to upgrade. All right, so let's get into the next portion of this, the earning stage. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna come over here. This is where things get interesting. This is the conversion house media section. You'll be able to see your commissions and everything else that you need here. All right, you can close that out. You can get access to your referral link. You can see your referrals that you bring into Cliqly. You'll be able to send clicks to CPA offers. You click on that, and they'll show you how to, get CPA offers. Check your commissions, your FAQ, and your support tab there. Now, I'm going to show you my commissions because, like I said, you saw the emails I sent out a couple today. Right now, I've done this for a while. I've been in this opportunity for, I want to say, about a little over a month now. And I've earned so far $72. Now, that might not seem a lot, but as you start bringing in people to the opportunity, people that want to upgrade and see the value in this, you start earning those $97 commissions that will add up. So this is for me, again, this is just from clicks. I already got 721 clicks, 10 cents per click, $72 right there. Now, you can also earn in different ways, not just the clicks. The CPA offers the Cliqly referrals, all right, and a one-time bonus. The more people you bring into this opportunity, that upgrade, the more you can earn. And that's going to be important, right? Because you get paid weekly with the opportunity. But you also have to have a $300 minimum payment threshold that's to be paid. So When you reach $300, as it says here, you'll be contacted for your payment information. Now, if you meet that threshold before Sunday, then you'll be notified the first part of next week and will receive your first wire the next Friday. All right. So this is not something that is an instant pay opportunity, but if you're doing this on the side, this is a great way to earn side income because of the fact that it doesn't take too much time to send out emails. And if you want to, keep on recruiting people, you can do so as well, bringing them in and earning the $97 payments. Or if you want to build it slow and just focus on sending out the emails, you can do that. Totally up to you. And also in the trainings, there are various trainings as well that will help you, be successful with this opportunity. Because if you want to just send out the emails, that's fine. But if you want to do more with this, you can go through the trainings and then it'll show you how you can manage your Cliqly business successfully as well. All right. So that's really it with the opportunity, guys. Just wanted to show you the earnings that I have so far. This is a real opportunity that you could earn with, but again, you do have to reach that $300 payment threshold to be paid, okay? And it'll be worth it, I assure you of that, especially if you choose to upgrade and you start bringing in those people, those $97 payments start coming in, then you'll see the value of the opportunity as well. And it's pretty much plug and play, very simple opportunity. You get everything that you need to start sending out emails from day one, right? System sends out the emails for you. And every click that you generate earns you 10 cents. And over time, you can build that up, build it up, build it up. Your choice, however you choose to do this business. So let me go back to the main office, main dashboard. So the bottom line is this, right? This is an opportunity if you're looking for extra income to earn on the side. You can do this because it doesn't take but so much time to do on a daily basis. You can check it out for yourself, become a trial member, see how you feel about it, send out a few emails, see how the clicks start coming in. And if you like it, you upgrade. If you don't, it's totally up to you. But at the end of the day, I feel that this opportunity can benefit so many people because of the fact that a lot of people don't want an opportunity that requires a lot of technical know-how. Okay, this opportunity, plug and play, send out your emails, and you can go about your day. You want to bring in more people, you want to show them the value of this opportunity, you have that option as well. But I will say that if you're just going to focus on generating the clicks, it is going to take you longer to generate the clicks because you are earning only 10 cents per click. So that will take some time to reach that $300 minimum payout. But if you want to go that route, that's totally fine. But if you want to bring in more people again, totally fine as well. Cliqly gives you the tools you need to succeed. The fact that you can try it for free, sign up as a trial member, see for yourself how you feel about the opportunity. That's an added plus for anyone that's looking for something like this that can benefit them. And at the end of the day, guys, you're getting started for free. So you're not losing anything by checking out, the site for free, signing up, getting a free account. You choose to upgrade, you go from there, you can earn more. Totally up to you. All right. So that's it for me, guys. I'm not going to hold this video up much longer. Just wanted to show you what this is, how it can benefit you. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to leave them in the comment section. But for now, guys, have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got a better understanding of how this opportunity can be very beneficial to anyone who's looking for an easy way to earn extra income on the side over time. And that's it, guys. Okay. Just take a look at the opportunity, check it out, create your free account, send out a few emails, and see how you feel about it and go from there. All right, guys. Have a great day, and I will catch you on the next video. Take care and have a good one.